Hello, future investors. Ever thought you need a fortune to start investing? Think again. Today, we're breaking down how to start investing with only $100, a beginner's guide. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. And we're here to show you how to make your first $100 work for you. Ready to take your first step towards financial growth? Let's get started. First things first, let's tackle some basics. Investing is putting your money to work in hopes it will grow over time. With as little as $100, you can invest in stocks, bonds, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. But where do you begin? Let's dive into some real examples. 1. Fractional shares in stocks. Ever wanted to own a piece of your favorite company but found the stock price too high? Fractional shares are your answer. With $100, you can buy a portion of a stock in companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon through platforms like Robinhood or Fidelity. This means if Tesla's stock is trading at $800, you could invest your $100 in 1/8 of a share, giving you a piece of the company and exposure to its growth potential. Exchange-traded funds ETFs, for those looking to spread their risk across multiple assets. ETFs are a fantastic option. With $100, you can invest in ETFs that track the performance of indexes like the S&P 500, or focus on specific sectors like technology or green energy, without the need to pick individual stocks. ETFs are traded on stock exchanges, making them as easy to buy and sell as individual stocks. 3. High-yield savings accounts. Looking for a risk-free option? High-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit CDs might be your best bet. While the returns are modest compared to stocks or ETFs, these savings accounts offer a safe way to grow your $100 over time. Online banks like Ally or Marcus by Goldman Sachs offer competitive interest rates far above traditional banks. 4. Micro-investing apps. First up, micro-investing apps like Acorns or Stash. These platforms are perfect for beginners, allowing you to invest small amounts of money. You can start with as little as $5. With $100, you could either make a one-time investment or set up a plan to invest small amounts regularly. Acorns, for example, rounds up your daily purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. This way, your $100 can be a part of a larger, diversified portfolio without you having to pick individual stocks. 5. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has become a buzzword, but what does investing in digital currency look like with $100? Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum offer fractional investing, meaning you don't need to buy a whole coin. For example, with $100, you could invest in a fraction of Bitcoin or explore altcoins like Litecoin or Cardano, which have lower individual prices. Platforms like Coinbase or Binance are great starting points for crypto investments. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so it's essential to research and possibly diversify within different cryptocurrencies. Tips for successful investing. Before you jump in, here are some quick tips. Do your research. Understand what you're investing in. Start small. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Think long term. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and your investment journey is no different. $100 is more than enough to take that first step. And there you have it. A beginner's guide to starting your investment journey with just $100. It's your turn to make a move. Share your thoughts and any questions you might have in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share with friends thinking of investing, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. Here's to making smart moves and growing your wealth. See you in the next video.